In this video, I'm going to show you how to make reels from Instagram stories. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. You can do it with today's stories or with stories from archive. I will show you how to do this with archive stories. Basically, all you need is just to open your profile, so hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner and then just click on more in the right top corner to open this menu. Now we need to open our archive right up here, and then as you can see we have stories from our archive. Now we can choose different stories, for example this one, and as you can see it was published on February 3rd. So to create stories, all we need is just to click on create on the bottom of the screen to create reels, and now we can add some audio, we can add some effects, some stickers, some text, or do some other stuff. We can also click on edit clips, add some transitions, add some new clips by clicking on plus. Basically you can do a lot of things with this shot. So after that, all you need is just to click on next, and then just add caption, add cover, tag some people, rename audio, and do some other stuff. And after that, just click on share. After that, our story will be successfully turned into reels, and if we'll go to reels area, we can see it right up here. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.